Hey dudes, welcome to my channel, Salamat 2020. Today's topic is on how to solve logarithmic equations in easy way. Sa madali ang solutions ang gagawin natin ngayon dudes. So these are the examples of logarithmic equations for evaluating the variable x. To elaborate the topic, let's apply the property of logarithm. So we have here the exponential equation. So that is b is raised to logarithm of a with base b is equal to a. So our exponent here is logarithm of a with base b, and that b must be raised to produce a. So if we are asking to evaluate the logarithm given the logarithmic expressions, yan, logarithm of a with base b, we're looking for the value of that logarithm. So, hanapan natin ang value, ang logarithm na ito. So, we let these expressions equal to x. Then, exponentiate to solve the logarithm. Okay, paano? Gamit yung base natin na b. So, both side, yan, logarithm of a with base b must be raised with the base b, and the other side, the b. Then cancel logarithm of b in the base. Then we come out with the new equations. Okay, that is the exponential equations. So a is equal to b raised to x, or equivalently to b raised to x is equal to a. We have here our first example. So let's evaluate given logarithmic expressions, that is logarithm of 4 with a base of 2. Since we're looking for the value of this logarithm, so we let this expression equal to x. Then to solve for x, okay, by exponentiating or using our base, that is 2. Write 2 both of our equations, yan, as a base. Then cancel log with the base of 2. Then we come out, this time we have a new equations, that is exponential equations. Then we can solve for x. So that is 4 is equal to 2 raised to x. Applying the 1-to-1 property exponential functions, okay, ibig sabihin yan, write both sides of the equation as a power of the same base. Okay, yan, pareho yung base natin. So we let cancel the base, then copy the x is equal to y. Okay, we're using the exponents here. Since the 4 can be written in a form exponential form, so 2 squared is equal to 2 raised to x. Then since it has the same base, so cancel, then bring down 2 is equal to x, or this equivalently to x is equal to 2. Then our logarithm of 4 with base 2 is equal to 2. Okay, for example number 2, so we have here the logarithmic expression, that is logarithm 1 with the base of 7. So we're looking for this value, logarithm 1 with base of 7. We let this equal to x by exponentiating. So gamit yung base natin as 7. So yan, 7 both side. Then cancel logarithm 7 and base. Then this time we have new equations, that is 1 is equal to 7 raised to x. So dapat yung both sides of the equation as a power of the same base. So applying the 0 exponent, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So dapat gamitin natin yung 7 as a base. So any value of a here, basta ma-raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 7 raised to 0 is 1. So gamit natin yung 7 raised to 0 is equal to 7 raised to x. This time we have the both sides of the equation as a power of the same base. So cancel yung 7, then x is equal to 0. So the logarithm of 1 with base of 7 is equal to 0. Okay, for number 3, so we have here the logarithm of a quantity x plus 1 is equal to 2. To evaluate this logarithm, logarithm of quantity x plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so wala tayong makita na base dito. This is called a common logarithm, but it is understood by 10 dyan as our base. So by exponentiating, so we can use this 10 as to exponentiate both sides. So 10 cancel the log 10 and its base. Though we have a new equations here, x plus 1 is equal to 10 squared. So, but 10 squared is 10 times 10. We multiply both twice the base. Yeah, that is 100. X plus 1 is equal to 100. Then x is equal to 100. Transpose positive 1, it becomes negative 1. Then x is equal to 100 minus 1 is 99. So the value of x is equal to 99. So the logarithm of a quantity x plus 1 is equal to 2, and the value of x is 99. For example number 4, so logarithm of 1 over square root of 5 with base of 5. To evaluate the logarithm of 1 over square root of 5 with a base of 5, we let this equal to x. Then you're using 5 to exponentiate both sides. So log 5 cancel. Yan, meron tayong a new equation that 1 over square root of 5 is equal to 5 raised to x. Then applying the negative exponent, so 1 over a raised to n by reciprocating, so this expression is equal to a raised to negative n. But our a here is 5, and the square root is equivalent to 1/2. Then 1 over 5 raised to 1/2 is equal to 5. It becomes negative, magiging negative yan. So 5 raised to negative 1/2. So 1 over square root of 5 is equivalent to 5 raised to 1/2 is equal to 5 raised to x. Then on this left side is equivalent to 5 raised to negative 1/2 is equal to 5x. Then we have the same base. So the value of x is equal to negative 1/2. So the logarithm of 1 over square root of 5 with base of 5 is equal to negative 1/2. For example number 5, so we have here the logarithm of a quantity 2x plus 3 with a base of 3 is equal to 2. So to exponentiate, to find the value of x, so we are using the 3 as the base. So cancel the log with its base 3. So ito na yung bagong equation natin. 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 squared. Okay, but 3 squared is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we multiply the base twice. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Then copy 2x, then transpose 3 sa kabila na side. So 9 minus 3. Then 2x is equal to 6. Then divide both side by 2. Okay, para makuha natin yung value ng x. So divide by 2. So x. Then 6 divide 2 is 3. So that is our value of x. X is equal to 3. Okay, so after watching our presentation, so we have here the prepared activity for you to answer. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. So thanks for watching. God bless us all.